1-2 punch. First of all, we have some severe weather, threat of severe weather here, and then threat of some very cold, icy Arctic air.
So, Neil, we'll have one front move in Thursday night.
Okay.
That's not the Arctic front. The Arctic front does not arrive until Sunday, but this front that arrives tomorrow night will bring with it the threat of severe weather. We're going to cover all that here in the next 3 minutes, so here we go. This is a live look outside in Longview. Mostly clear skies. We really haven't had a lot to worry about today. It's been a little windy and breezy at times, but all in all, not a half bad day, folks. We were in the 60s this afternoon, and temperatures haven't fallen far from that. We are in the 40s and 50s. Marshall's the cool spot at 49. We still have 58 on the map at Longview and Henderson. Crockett's at 54. It's 52 in Athens. Tonight, 43. Cloud cover will begin to increase from south to north, and we will see clouds by early tomorrow morning. High temperatures will be in the lower 70s. So, yeah, we were in the 60s today. We'll be in the 70s tomorrow. But it's likely we don't get to 50 for Friday for most of you that live here. As we look at Futurecast, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're dealing with partly to mostly cloudy skies. We remain partly cloudy through noontime. We'll pause this at 3. A few breaks in the clouds. The front's still well off to our northwest, but tomorrow, really nothing to worry about. It's going to be comparable to today with some breaks in the clouds. We'll have a couple more clouds to show for it, and it'll be a little warmer tomorrow afternoon. But by 9 o'clock, starting to see a few showers and thunderstorms firing up to the north. We'll have to watch these just to see if an individual storm can break apart from the main line. But the main line does form in the Dallas-Fort Worth area starting at 10. Let's advance this hour by hour. That's 11 o'clock, beginning to move into our western counties. Corsicana, Terrell, Sulphur Springs start to see the storms at 11. At 1, it's Gilmer, Tyler, Jacksonville, down to the southwest of Palestine there. And then Longview, Jefferson, Linden at about 2 o'clock. By 3 o'clock, these storms have mainly pushed into Louisiana. And after that, folks, our severe weather threat's going to be over. So it's going to move through East Texas just like that. And by daybreak Friday morning, we'll be dealing with the chilly conditions behind the front. It's a slight risk of severe weather, with the main threat being of damaging wind gusts. However, we do have secondary threats of tornadoes and possible large hail. That is a low to medium threat. So this is why it's important to have a weather source to get those warnings and make sure you have a way that that source can wake you up in the middle of the night, because this is what we like to call a nocturnal severe weather event, which means it occurs at night. And unfortunately, that does tend to be a very dangerous thing. All right, shifting gears. So Friday we're fine, Saturday we're fine, Sunday the front moves through and it brings with it a little bit of moisture. All indications are that this moisture will be relatively light, but this can still lead to some problems. The key questions to if we see a wintry mix, which I do think some of us will, is if and when the moisture moves out. If the moisture moves in before those temperatures fall below freezing, we won't see that much. And then if we have a lot of moisture and those temperatures fall below freezing quickly, then it's likely we have a more impactful winter storm. But it looks like we will be dealing with temperatures below freezing from whenever the front moves through Sunday evening or Monday morning until either Tuesday or Wednesday. Could be at 60 plus hours below freezing in our northwestern counties, and then between a day or two as you move further to the south than that. So the main thing with this storm, it's not going to be anything like February 2021, but it's still going to be cold and just not very fun to be outside. Look at that, 16 Monday night and Tuesday morning. Right now, wintry precip chances are only at about 30% Monday. That can increase or decrease depending on how future data comes out. But as we look at deep East Texas, similar trend. Storm chances tomorrow night. Remain weather aware. Have that source of warning information that will wake you up just in case a warning is issued in the middle of the night. And then all eyes turn to Sunday night. Neil.
Sports.